This video will walk you through how to join a virtual queue. The process is generally the same for any ride that may be using them. Guests may request to join the virtual queue at 7 a.m. prior to park entry. Anyone, anywhere can attempt to join the 7 a.m. Eastern Time virtual queue if they have a theme park ticket. You don't need to be on Disney property, near the park, etc. If you miss the 7 a.m. drop, you can try again at 10 a.m. after entering the park. You can only enter a queue once per day, and they fill up quickly, so follow the instructions below to be prepared. Be on the app in the virtual queue section by 6:55 a.m. There are two ways to get there. One is by clicking on the three little lines in the bottom right corner, then click on Virtual Queues, then click on Join Virtual Queue. This is also where you can check your boarding queue status. The other is from the home screen. From there, you'll want to confirm your party, which is where you'll select who you'll want to include in your party. This saves you a step before the 7 a.m. drop, which gets you into the queue faster. You'll see at the top it says to pull to refresh, or tap the refresh button at the bottom. And then you'll want to tap the Join Queue button as soon as it appears. These spots go very quickly, so I have a timing hack for you. Have someone else with you who has the world clock in digital format running on their phone. You can Google world clock to find it. This lets you see the time down to the milliseconds. When the clock gets to 6:59:59, refresh the virtual queue exactly at the 59 millisecond mark. We've had a high success rate of refreshing right at this time. Sometimes you have to refresh twice. Just try not to do it too much earlier or later. If you weren't able to get in the queue, you can try again at 10 a.m. using the same method. You must be in the park to be eligible to join a virtual queue at this time. Be sure you're somewhere with good cell reception. You don't want to be somewhere like the Soarin' line where your cell reception goes out and you miss your opportunity. If you are able to join a virtual queue, you will receive a notification in the app letting you know your virtual queue has been called. So be sure you have notifications turned on for your app. This screen will tell you how long you have to check into the experience. Good luck!